To remove the speaker, first remove the access panel, the front bezel, and the drives cage. Detach the speaker connector to the motherboard. Free the speaker connector from the cable guide on the bottom of the PC. Remove the single Phillips No. 1 screw at the front of the PC that secures the speaker to the front of the PC. Slide the speaker to the side and pull the speaker out of the unit. There are small metal guides on the front inside of the PC for correct alignment of the speaker. To replace the speaker, slide the speaker into its guides, aligning the screw hole on the speaker with the screw hole on the chassis. Replace the Phillips No. 1 screw at the front of the unit to secure the speaker to the unit. Replace the speaker connector into its guide on the bottom of the chassis. Reconnect the speaker to the motherboard.